For the second consecutive month, lack of seatbelt use factored in a majority of Minnesota traffic deaths. 13 of 18 motorists killed in crashes last month were not wearing seatbelts. In December, 18 of the 23 motorists killed were not belted. Most of the January unbelted deaths occurred in greater Minnesota counties where belt compliance is historically low. In Minnesota, it is the law for drivers and passengers in every seat to be belted. Each year, more than half of the motorists killed in Minnesota crashes aren't belted. 80% of the unbelted deaths occur on greater Minnesota roads.
If you've enjoyed this segment of Lakeland News, please consider making a tax-deductible contribution to Lakeland Public Television.